Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you the cutest rug I got for my living room. This boho area rug from RESARE has brought so much style to my living room. I really like this neutral color because I know it'll match any space in my room. This rug is perfect for a bedroom, living room, office, or even a playroom. I love its size. This is a 5x7. Once I received it, I laid it flat for 2 days and the wrinkles completely disappeared. I so appreciate that it's super easy to clean as well. I can vacuum this in less than 3 minutes, and this is even machine washable. This is literally the softest rug I have ever had, and I love that it stays in place. My feet have been appreciating the softness of it. I love walking on it, and I love sitting on it. This would be the perfect gift. I highly recommend it. It's just beautiful, and I know you will love it too. This rug not only looks great, but it feels great as well. So if you're looking for comfort, for style, then I highly recommend this. I've been loving it, but that's just my point of view.